Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a hot chocolate bomb. Start by melting chocolate until smooth and glossy, then coat silicone molds evenly and chill to set. Prepare a dry filling of cocoa mix and mini marshmallows, and have a warm mug ready. Once shells are set, pare halves carefully and seal with melted chocolate, then fill and close them for a cozy, dramatic drink experience. For assembly, work quickly, but calmly so chocolate stays workable. Chill the first layer, then add a second for durability and a satisfying snap. Spoon a measured portion of cocoa mix and marshmallows into one half, warming the rim of the other half briefly to create a clean seal. Press gently to join halves, then rest bombs seam side down to set fully before wrapping or storing for gifting or enjoying. When you serve, heat milk to steaming but not boiling to avoid scalding, and to melt the bomb gently. Place a bomb in a mug and pour hot milk over it to watch the reveal, then stir to combine chocolate and cocoa. Add toppings like whipped cream or a dusting of cocoa for a special touch. If gifting, package bombs in airtight containers to preserve snap and flavor until use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.